Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So I told y'all I was going to keep you posted with everything that was going on. So the first thing I want to do is really thank my stepmom and my dad for letting me use a portion of their garden or their space to kind of get some garden therapy going on. And I'll fill you all in on all of that. So when I looked at it at first, I got super excited, but like I told myself, just like when you begin your garden, it didn't all happen at once. So just kind of take it slow as we're still continuing to look for homes. And I come over here like maybe once or twice a week, check on the garden, which is what I'm doing today. We had a bad batch of hay, so I've been coming, pulling up some of the hay, but today is fertilization day. It's going to rain later on this week, but I just wanted to show you what all we have planted. So I put some marigolds right here. We got some basil that we can start cutting, and then another basil plant right here. Now we have some tomatoes, and some are starting to put on the blooms, which is why I wanted to go ahead and get fertilized with those. Now I did get the tomato cages, but one of them I know is an indeterminate, and so we just gonna work it out as it grow, because I didn't want to get like the cattle panels, because I don't know how far when we get our new home, like how far will I be to be able to like come back and check on it. And then we have some peppers right here. I bought a cucumber trellis that I'm going to start training the cucumbers to go up, and then also 2 more tomatoes. So I felt like this is something that I could handle during the week when I get off work. It's still lots more work that needs to be done. I was going to take it over here, but I'm dealing with a different type of soil. We got clay soil here, and it needs to be kind of broken down. So I said I was going to start treating it with gypsum, whereas in the Savannah area we had sandy soil, very sandy soil. So the good thing about clay soil is it holds on to the nutrients a little bit longer. I don't have to water as much, I noticed, but when you're starting to kind of break ground on it, it is hard to, just kind of, I didn't till it up, but I just kind of took the shovel and turned it over so that I can put the tomatoes in kind of deep. So this is what we have going on. I'm going to keep you posted. Again, I was so thankful because I'll link the patio container garden, and I have that, and I have herbs, but I just felt like I gotta do something. And so my stepmom was so nice to offer a portion of the garden, and so this right here is what I have been working with. But one day when I have time, because I got Chris with me today, but one day when I have time, they got so many beautiful plants that are growing in the front and in the back as well, that I will show you all later. They're starting to come alive. The weather here is about 15 degrees cooler than the Savannah area. Like today I got on sleeves because I'm like, it's cold. And it's like 72, and then it's like, like 85 in the Savannah area. So I'm getting used to that. But the plants seem to like it, because sometimes I do struggle with the tomatoes when it starts heating up real quick, but I think we're going to be good. With the peppers right here, I did my experiment. So I topped one of them off in the middle, and sometimes that stunts the growth, but then as the season goes on, it bounces right back and you get more pepper. So that's the experiment I'm doing. I cut the middle one, and then the 2 on the ends are the one that's growing. So this just goes to show you, you can get out, you can plant something. And so I'm super happy right now. I have to stop myself when I go in the garden center because there's so much I want to do. But this is so manageable for me. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead, tap the subscribe button, and also tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.